This here, ladies and gentlemen, is the crackhead bird of San Francisco. Let me just get this on camera for you guys right here. Look at it. Look at this fucking bird, yo. It's unbelievable. And this is his mother. Now, stop running from me, crackhead. Scary bitch, so go over there. You little bitch, I got you now. You wanna play hide and seek, yeah? Boom, my turn. Okay, I just got the crackhead bird. Now I'm on a mission to go find a bathroom. Because there's not one anymore in the mission.